X-Cube i9 Manual Guide. Text. Press a hard key to open the text menu onto the left monitor. Select a word with the trackball and set it in the list. Position with the trackball. If an additional word is desired in a different position on the screen, move the text cursor to position and use Select knob to load the new word to the cursor position. The text with cycle icon is replaceable. It's for commonly used side and location, for example, left, right, prox, mid, dist. Group annotation. Users make a text group for convenience. To set the annotation group, enter System Preset, Annotation, and check the Replace the Text in General tab, and go to Text tab. Select texts and make a group. Save, exit. Let's practice. A group of interchangeable words is a color-grouped. As a new word in this group is selected, it replaces the previous word, so this function reduces keystroke. Soft menu controls. Grab, delete. Grab to select a word with upper or lower arrow key and press the center to delete. Home. Pressing the Home key, you can set home place to return the text cursor or selected word to the previously set home place. Autocomplete. When you activate the function, the system automatically completes the word.